We're learning the rabbit rule when we are reading and spelling. Let's have a look. Vowels. We know that a vowel is A, E, I, O, or U. Sometimes we have Y, remember. A not now are the other letters. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z. So the is when we chop between two letters that are not vowels. So the two not vowel letters, and they're the same in a word, so they will be next to each other. So let's have a little example. Okay, rabbit rule. Rabbit. So can you see that we've got our rare, and then we've got two B's in the middle of the word. So we slice down here, so we can say rab bit, rab bit. So that's how we break the words up. So let's have another look with blubber. So blah, we can say blah. I'll just make this pen a little bit narrower. Blah, blub, blub. We stop there and we slice down here. Blub, burr. So that's our rabbit roll. Blub, burr. Okay, and the last one we've got, for example, is cannot. Okay, can, and then we break that up there, and then we have not. Cannot. That's our rabbit rule.